In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add traveler details on Expedia, saved travelers. Saving traveler profiles on Expedia makes checkout faster and helps prevent mistakes that could cause issues at the airport. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and point out what to watch for so everything matches exactly with government-issued identification. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Expedia. You can type the name in the search bar or the address bar. When the results load, open the official site. Choose the first result if it's clearly the official one, or specifically look for the expedia.com domain. Check that the address bar shows a secure connection, indicated by the lock icon, so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once you're on Expedia, look for the sign-in option, usually at the top right. Click it and sign in to your account. Being signed in is important because saved travelers are stored in your account and show up automatically when you book. After signing in, click your profile icon or your name at the top right of the page. In the menu that opens, select Account. This takes you to your account settings and personal details. On the account page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Additional Travelers. This is where you'll store the profiles of people you frequently book for, including yourself if you want to save your own information for quick checkout. Click Add a Traveler. Carefully enter the traveler's legal first and last name, plus any middle names or suffixes, exactly as they appear on their government-issued ID. Avoid nicknames, and be consistent with hyphens or special characters. Enter the date of birth accurately. Airlines use this to verify identity and determine traveler type. Select the gender as shown on the ID. If you see optional fields, fill them out only if you have the information handy, but don't worry if they're not required. Take a moment to double-check everything. Small spelling errors can cause ticketing or check-in problems later. When everything looks correct, click Save to store the profile. You'll see the traveler added to your list in the Additional Travelers section. The next time you start a booking, you can select this saved traveler at checkout instead of retyping details. If you ever spot a typo, come back to this same page to edit or remove the profile before making a new reservation. Keep in mind that once a ticket is issued, name changes can be limited or incur fees, so it's best to verify now. That's it. Repeat the same steps for anyone else you book for regularly, and you'll save time and reduce errors on every trip.